Trail starts here up in this bitch. We just getting started up in this bitch. It's another beautiful day. Nature guy, nature dude here. We're just out here. We're just getting started to just get this trail. Beautiful. We're just gonna get this beautiful trail. Get a few clips in. See what we got up here. Got a little ledge. I'm getting tired. We are at the mystery spot today. Oh yeah. Got the first part. Man, it just keeps on going uphill. Look at it. It's kind of dope. It keeps on, man, this trail's killing me. Keeps on going uphill. Okay. Shit. A little our hiking adventure. Got a little concave tree right there. Oh, it looks dope. Gonna continue moving, doing our. Yeah. This trail's killing me. And just look how uphill I gotta go. Okay. All that. I gotta go uphill. I've been going uphill the whole fucking time. It's barely been flat. Fuck, man.